Last summer, my feet screamed after 10 miles of hiking. Blisters formed, ankles hurt, boots failed on rocky, steep descents. Heavy boots soaked, rubbing heels, killing my trail day energy. Lost confidence crossing slippery creek with zero traction control. I nearly aborted a weekend trip because of foot pain. Every step felt unstable. Ankle support was non-existent. Searched online frantically for women's hiking boots that actually deliver. Endless scrolling, reviews contradicting, choices overwhelming and exhausting. I needed lightweight, cushioned, grippy boots that look good. Then I stumbled upon a top 10 hiking boots roundup. An image caught my eye: khaki orange mid-cut with quick-dry suede. Detailed descriptions: cushioning reinforced toe, aggressive anti-slip outsole. Specs matched my wish list. Reviewers praised comfort on long hikes. Price felt fair. Images showed trail-to-town stylish versatility. I ordered a pair immediately, hoping for real improvement. What sold me first was the all-day cushioning system. Memory foam-like midsole absorbed impacts mile after mile. No heel slippage, no aching arch. Pure trail comfort. On the first hike, my feet stayed energized and blister-free. Crossed slick rocks confidently. Anti-slip lugs gripped securely. Ankle support finally steadied uneven terrain and steep descents. Lightweight feel prevented fatigue on long ascents and flats. Water-resistant upper kept feet dry during unexpected showers. Now I finish hikes energized, smiling, and ready for more. If comfortable trails matter, why suffer another painful hike? Could a single pair transform your weekend adventures and confidence? Limited stock often sells fast. Don't wait until it's gone. Ready to step into comfort, traction, and trail-ready style? Click the link in the description now. Your feet deserve better hiking days. Grab your pair today. Hit the trail with confidence.